and noted the important points. Okay. Now we are going to complete one exercise today. Okay. Participants కనపట్లేదు అక్కడ వాళ్ళు చూసుకుంటారు అది వాళ్ళు కనిపిస్తుంది కదా అడిగి చెప్తాను. Okay, all of you go through this exercise number 1. I will ask some questions. Basing on your interaction, we will complete this exercise. Making agenda, making minutes, and submission of action taken report as per the rules prescribed in the textbook. Now it is 5:34. I am giving 3 minutes time, up to 5:37. Now we will start with Amita. What are the questions given here? What we have to do? We have to make agenda. We have to make agenda. And next, minutes, writing minutes. After that, we have to submit action taken report. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You need not worry about the 200 words, 300 words. What he will see, whether you have an idea to prepare an agenda and what do you meant by minutes, what are to be recorded in that minutes, and how you have to submit your action taken report. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here, as per our agenda, first మనం ఏం చేయాలమ్మా అమిత నువ్వు చెప్పు agenda prepare చేసేప్పుడు what are the points to be kept in mind? First, which company or which institute is going to be conduct meeting?
Madam, Bharat Shiksha Institute.
Very good. So, agenda paina Bharat Shiksha Institute.
Sir, screen sharing online lecture.
Institute. What we write? Agenda for what?
To bring
Meeting.
changes in English and accountancy syllabus for the first year course.
Disturbance వస్తుంది. Agenda for meeting to be held on so and so date at AM. Okay, this we have to write. By this we will come to know on which company behalf this agenda refer to, and the very heading agenda, date of meeting and time.
Yes, sir.
Here venue it is not given, so we need not write venue. What are the columns to be kept in mind while preparing an agenda?
Topic.
Have you gone through this?
Yes, sir.
First, time.
Time. Topic.
Very good. Topic. Next,
Attendees.
very good.
Speaker.
Attendees. Next,
Speaker.
very good.
Duration.
Speaker. Duration. What is time allocation? Duration.
Yes.
ఇది ఇంక తగ్గించడానికి సరే ఒక కిందకి రాసేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ say this meeting we will decide the timing of meeting, because in the exercise time is not given, date is not given. Okay, let us say meeting will start at 10 AM. Okay, every meeting will start with
Introduction.
very good topic, introduction. Introduction for
Changes.
only few persons or for all?
For all.
For all attendees. Who will be the speaker? Generally,
Yeah.
the convener will be the speaker. So, who is the convener here in the present context?
Kamal Kumar.
Kamal
Mr. Kamal Kumar.
Oh,
Kapoor.
Kamal Kapoor. Kamal Kapoor. What is his designation?
The academic dean of the institute.
Very good. Academic dean. Speaker, if you want, you can write academic dean. Generally, introduction, it should be very concise. Say 10 to 15 minutes, depending upon the topics. Depending upon the company's position or institute position. So, we may give an introduction for 10 minutes. Just nothing is wrong, but generally a meeting will take 2 to 3 hours, not more than 2 to 3 hours. Within this time frame, we have to allocate times for each and every speaker. But what is the agenda here? What is the points to be discussed? Why this meeting is being conducted? Why this meeting is announced? Manasa K.
Yes, sir.
Why this meeting is called for? What is the main?
Discussing.
Very good. Discuss.
For
What?
discussing previous syllabus topics.
What?
Inclusion
We
of relevant content.
Very good. So, this in simple we can say it is a amendment of syllabus. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Amendment. So what are the any unnecessary redundant means delete. What are the topics to be deleted? Discussion, review previous syllabus, identify redundant topics, suggest inclusion. Okay. First year syllabus lo English and accountancy. Only English and accountancy lo what are the unnecessary topics or less priority topics, and any useful topics can be introduced. Useful. So who are the stakeholders here? Who are the participants here? Manish Swarup.
Sir,
Who are the stakeholders here in this meeting?
subject experts,
Very good. Subject experts,
college experts,
college lecturers,
students,
and
and members of print and publishing department.
students. Couldn't
Sir,
These are all
students
four
and
stakeholders
students.
here. Subject experts, college lecturers, students, and members of print and publishing department. Okay. So hence, the persons who are important related to this subject matter, they are called for. So we have to provide time for each and everyone. So because here the names of the members is not given, you can say X, Y, Z or ABC as you wish. Okay. Then first what is it should be in sequence, whether an agenda or minutes, it should be in a sequence. It should be in a sequence. First review. Without reviewing, no one can say whether it is relevant or not. We have to take views from the attendees. So what is the first topic? Review of previous syllabus. So here subject experts and lecturers may participate. So next, this is 10 minutes. Next topic will start commence at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. topic. What is the topic here? Review of previous syllabus. Review of previous syllabus. Here also attendees all. This is for all. Here review chesaru subject experts. For both. Okay. Here, at least one person for one subject for reviewing. Manikanta Jatla.
Yes, sir.
What are the subjects here? Here we have at least one speaker from the one subject for reviewing.
Sir, English and accountancy on sir.
If you are kind enough, you may call lectures also because they are teaching the subject.
Yes, sir.
That's why if you so kind enough, we can allot one student leader. What are the problems? What are the relevance of the subject? So it depends upon the duration of the entire meeting. If the meeting time duration is quite enough, then we can call 3 to so here topics are very less, only 4 topics. So from each and every person we can call 1 or 2. Nothing wrong. You may include 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. Just this is to test your knowledge whether you can prepare an agenda. There is no hard and fast rule, but it should be very concise as far as well. This is just to test your knowledge whether you can prepare agenda or not. You know the pro forma, that's all. So here subject experts for English say Mr. E. For easy, for accountancy, Mr. AC. Duration 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So you can add this college lecturer and student leader. SL for student leader, CL for college lecturer. Again, English accountancy. So here you may give 5 minutes. So 30 plus 20, 50 minutes. For review, it is 50 minutes. When we have started this meeting, 10 plus 50 minutes. How much next topic will take up at what time? Manikanta Swarup, Manish Swarup?
11, sir.
11 a.m. 11 a.m. What would be the topic here, Sai Ramya? First review is over.
Yes, sir.
What will be the next topic? Go through the exercise.
Identify redundant topics.
Very good. Redundant means what are to be deleted. What are the, here also you can segregate the time here also. Okay, topic, what is the topic, what to do read? Identification of
Redundant topics.
Okay, here this is also for all the persons. Here also you can say the same, but we can reduce the time with the consent of the all, because these are all the stakeholders kada. Subject experts undali, college lecturers, students undali. So we may call one person each. English ki subject experts atlage accountancy ki subject expert atlage college lecturer for English, for accountancy, student leaders, English, and for inclusion, for redundance, we may call student leaders also. So not more than 5 minutes. So 30 minutes for this. What will be the next topic? What will be the next topic? Annapurna garu. Annapurna garu.
Sir.
Next topic ఏంటి? ఇప్పటి వరకు మీకు అర్థమైందా, ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం ఉందా? We are going as per the proforma agenda. Next topic చెప్పమ్మా.
11:30 AM time, sir.
Very good. ఫౌండేషన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ లాగానే కంటిన్యూస్ గా చెప్తామా? కాస్త టీకి బిస్కెట్లు పెట్ట వీళ్ళకి పెడదామా? ఓకే, 11:15 11 to 11:30 టీ బ్రేక్ ఇద్దాం. ఓకే, టీ బ్రేక్ ఇద్దాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఆల్. ఎంతసేపు ఇద్దాము? 15 minutes ఇద్దామా? ఓకే, రైట్. వీళ్ళు ఏమన్నా సిఏ ఫౌండేషన్ స్టూడెంట్సా కంటిన్యూస్ గా చెప్పడానికి? వీళ్ళు మీటింగ్ వాళ్ళు కదా. నెక్స్ట్ వీ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ 11:45.
45.
11:45. Raghavendra Batsu.
Sir,
Raghavendra. What is the next topic? 11:45 a.m. We have to write clearly, very specific.
suggest inclusion of latest relevant content.
Very good, very good. Suggestions to include new
Relevant
topics, relevant new topics. Any okay?
Yes, sir.
This is also for all. Okay. Next, ఇక్కడ కూడాను సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ సేమ్ ఇందాక పెట్టుకుందాం. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్, కాలేజ్ లెక్చర్స్, స్టూడెంట్ లీడర్స్. ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ లీడర్స్ లేకపోయినా పర్వాలేదు. దట్ ఈస్ మీ ఇష్టం. జస్ట్ ఇది ప్రొఫార్మా టు ఫిల్ ది ప్రొఫార్మా. సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ ఫర్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఫర్ అకౌంటెన్సీ, ఫర్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఫర్ అకౌంటెన్సీ. So here also we may give 10 minutes, 10 minutes, here 5 minutes. Okay. Why? Because subjects experts to deliver their deliberations and they have to convince the lecturers and students how important the topic is, the topic going to be included. They have to convince. That's why they may be given more time than to the college lecturers. If you are kind enough, you may call one student leader and you may give 5 minutes to discuss on the relevancy of the topic. So 11:45 plus 35, how much it would be? 11:50 plus 30, 12:20. It may be 12:20. Okay. Otherwise, here what is deliberations, review, sessions, everything over. Now all should participate. This is open house. Open house. This is also for all. But speakers here the views from all subject experts. So interaction. This is nothing but interaction. Subject experts, college lecturers, student leaders, printing and publishing department members. So this we may take 10 minutes. This we may take 10 minutes. Open hours. What is the next item? As per the proforma, what is the next topic, Shailendri? Shailendri? Are you able to admit me? Rohit? Rohit? What is the next time? Huh? Shailendri? What is the next time? Here 10 minutes. 12:20 start చేసాము. 12:20 noon or PM. 12:30. This would be 12:30 PM. Here almost over. Last time unali. Vote of thanks. Vote of thanks. Or దీన్ని ఏమనొచ్చు? Thank you note. Thank you note. Thank you note is for all attendees. Who will be the speaker? Generally the convener. Who is the convener here? Kapoor. General introduction and vote of thanks. In some of the institutions and companies, introduction will be given by the company secretary or one of the important executives, and the vote of thanks will be given by the convener. Okay. Yeah. So 12:30 ki vote of thanks you may do 10 minutes. Here date And this is headed by the signature. Headed by S.K. Kapoor. Kapoor అయినా మనం చెప్పుకుంది పేరు కమల్ కపూర్. ఓకే, headed by convener. Designation ఏంటి? Signed Kamal Kapoor, academic dean. Okay, understand? Agnesh, Vijay Raghuram.
Sir. Yes, sir.
మన ప్రొఫార్మా ప్రకారం మీకు అర్థమైందా? సేమ్ ఎజెండా మీరు రెండో ప్రాబ్లంకి రేపు రాసి చూపించాలి. రాసి రాజా సార్కి పంపించండి. మీకు ఉందిగా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో పెడతారు కదా, కామెంట్స్లోను నోట్ చేయాల్సింది అందరూ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మనము మినిట్స్